The 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Velar wears a new rear and headlights, which sit above a fresh front bumper. From the side, the scaled-down Range Rover look, including the brand's now hallmark retractable door handles and the floating roofline, created by dark-tint window glass and black-finished roof pillars, carries over largely unchanged LED taillights round things out. 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Velar New Text Classic Materials. A new 11.4-inch curved touchscreen sits behind a glass panel to handle audio, climate, and navigation controls. An update interface features virtual buttons on either side of the screen for quick access to more commonly requested functions. The 2024 Velar offers a two-engine choice, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder rated at a 247 HP or a 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder paired with a hybrid system good for a combined 395 HP. The hybrid system makes use of a 48-volt starter generator that grabs energy that would otherwise be lost during deceleration and pumps it into a lithium-ion battery. The updated Velar runs just south of $63,000 to start. The six-cylinder version costs about $71,000, depending on the engine. The Velar will be offered in S, SE, and HSE trim levels.